My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, and I'm talking. You know what I'm saying? Lately, I've been posting a lot of videos while I haven't been talking on POVs, but my voice is back, so hopefully you ready to listen. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see by the title, and I don't know what the thumbnail gonna be yet, but as y'all can see by the title, man, we're gonna be cutting up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Allegedly. You know what I'm saying? Just making a little noise, that's all. Not really cutting up, you know, just making noise for the people. You know what I'm saying? For the people. But make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Y'all at least hit the like button, man. If y'all haven't watched my other video where it's titled It's Over, you know what I'm saying? Some stuff been going on. And as y'all can see, I don't, bro, go. As y'all can see, I don't have no ads on my channel anywhere. You know what I'm saying? You watch this video from start to finish, no ads. You know what I'm saying? So they took away that for right now. So y'all at least like the video, man. Get every video to 100 likes, man. At least get every video to 100 likes, man. Y'all do that for your boy, please. Do that for your, do that for your boy, please, man. At least get 100 likes, 50 to 100 likes, bro, every video. No matter how many of y'all watch it, bro. It's more than 50 to 100 of y'all that watch it, bro. So I need 50 or 100 of y'all to like the video, man. You know what I'm saying? You really car crew, man. Y'all do that for me, bro. Even if it's your first time, just hit that like button for your boy, man. I'm not monetized right now. So y'all boy at least like the video so that mother can keep going up, man. We can still keep growing. You know what I'm saying? We still getting that 15K. You feel me? We still getting that 15K, man. But nevertheless, that's too much of me talking already. A minute in the video. We're gonna put this thing in sport, you know what I'm saying? I wanna change the steering though, I don't care. I can't. Let me just go to my custom then, bro. Oh, my custom already right. My bad. I ain't, you know. I thought I changed it back. That be already right. But yeah, man, y'all can see we're in a little, you know, traffic with it. Look at that, the 60s. I forgot what year. Mustang. Still had salt top back then. Disgusting. That truck threw me off, boy. That truck jumped behind me like he was 12 in that modern day F-150. But yeah, car crew, what's up, man? What's going on, man? Y'all comment down below where you're from, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below where you're from, where you watching it right now, what state you in. You gotta say your city and all that, you feel me, you know? But let's say what state you in. See why I even want to go anyway. It's the wrong time to be driving, you know. I might have to do a little detour for y'all, man. But y'all can't see me drive. Y'all boy can't see me drive, man. Let me just stay back here. I ain't gonna, why you pulling up like that? I ain't trying to rock with you, man. I ain't trying to mess with you, man. Grandma scooted up quick. Dang, Grandma, I don't want you, Grandma. I am. Bro, you be killing me when folk ride with their window all the way down, their arm be out the window, and the sun be out. Like, bro, your arm ain't burning, like, off the paint. You just got the whole arm, whole forearm and elbow out the window. You got some of your bicep and tricep on it, too. Like you riding a horse or on a boat. Alright, I'm finna get to some driving, man. I just heard some tires skirting, no lie. Stick 'em! Hey, man.
sport mode with it. Sport downshift is sickening, bro. Bro, that junk is deadly. Like, I don't even be expecting that bit to be that hard, like, hard, but that hard, like, that bit, like, look. Bro, the torque and scats are insane, bro. Scat literally the next best thing. Obviously, that's all you got between the RT and the Hellcat, but the Scat really is the next best thing, bro. Like, bro, you cannot go wrong. Like, you won't be mad, bro, if you were trying to get a cat and you couldn't, you got a Scat, cuz. Especially if you never had neither. Bro, like, I'm telling you. That junk is crazy. I really need to turn around. I wasn't even trying to go that far, though. Real talk. Not all the way down that way. I was trying to keep going. On that side I was at. Downshifts are crazy. Y'all let me know y'all rocking with my downshifts or not, bro. Cause I know they go crazy. I know they go crazy. It's a nice little neighborhood to, you know what I'm saying, do a video in. Ooh, go slow. What you gotta do, man, when your car's a little low. Gotta back up slow, yeah. Ew. One wheel peel. That's how you one wheel peel a Scat. Have traction counter on and do like a soft but not so soft pull from a rolling stop. Big old skirt. But that bit was spinning like hell. And you got stuff like that, man. Goodness. That's why you be needing new brakes now. But this car didn't spin, bro. Bro, this car didn't spin, bro. Y'all, bro. Cause it must still lift off the ground. Like the camera, I'm trying to hold the camera steady so it won't be doing all this. But bro, like, no cap, like, this junk is crazy. Like, bro, sport mode is that mode, man. Track mode cool, bro, but that junk, it don't. And I'm not the only one that said it, bro. A lot of people that got these cars say that, bro. You know, folk that don't know about car for real, or they just be like, track mode, because track mode the last mode on the screen, bro. Sport mode is the best mode, bro. The best mode to drive, the best mode or whatever. This is the only mode you can daily. So that's safe to daily, you know what I'm saying? Folks don't know that, like, y'all to be daily driving y'all Scats in track all the time, especially if you daily drive that, bro. Every time you drive it, that be in track mode, bro. It's not made for that, cuz when you cruising and shit, it's not made for that. Like cruising, that's not made for you. That junk made for you hitting it all the time. That junk made for you hitting that bit like all the time. Boy, I seen somebody back there, boy. Which way do I want to go, car crew? Olivia sounds amazing. I got off topic. But yeah, like you ain't supposed to be daily. You're not supposed to. You know, I had heard, but I thought it was so cap. But Dad really was like, you know what I'm saying, if your car, say you get your car, your Scat brand new, whatever. You daily drive that bill every day, like all the time. Like they can go in there and log, like in the log, and look how many times you put it in trap mode. I ain't know they can do all that. I know a lot of y'all probably know that, but there's a lot of y'all that don't know that. Stick 'em, little baby one. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. Like you're not supposed to do that. They can go in there and look, and if they see you've been using trap mode excessively all the time, every time, like that's all you driving, like. They say you can void your warranty, like your transmission warranty or whatever, because it's just like, it's not, they say it's not meant for that. I seen another scat, man. That scat had, I don't know what they just did. They went around somebody. But yeah, like, you ain't supposed to do that, man. But sport is where it's at, no cap. Like, just listen to that. Boy, I wish I could just hit my car from like 2 blocks away. Somebody know how to drive that bitch just like me. Not go crazy, but like you just know them RPM, them and that bitch talk. OG just told me to hit that bitch. He was swinging that horn down like this. Oh man, he was like, hit that bitch. That's funny. That is funny. But yeah, man, yeah. Just not supposed to be doing it, man. Sport mode, man. Sport mode, where's it? Simple as that. Simple as that, man. Car crew, y'all know I had somebody to tell me that my car is built. Like, they said my car is like built, like it got a cam, tunes, cause my car pop. Just because of how it sound and how it move and it pop a little bit. But all scats pop, bro. Stock is off, mid muffler delete, straight pipe with your cats, no cats. All scats pop, bro. When I first got my scat, when I first got Olivia, bro, she was popping all real. I mean, I already knew how to do it a little bit, but I wasn't even trying to do it. I drove the car home in Eco, I think. First day. It's on my video, cause I was recording myself talking while I was driving on that taking delivery video. Y'all go watch that video, man. It's a good little motivation right there. I really ain't, that when I was just getting good with YouTube for real, I was just starting. Like, I ain't really know, you know what I'm saying, what I was doing and how comfortable I can be with the camera, but I was making the weight, you know what I'm saying, cause I knew what I wanted to do. You feel me? So y'all go watch that video, man. Y'all go watch some of my old videos, bro. Like they really, like, bro, I was outside back then. One of my partners watching my old video telling me, bro, he was like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, your older video, bro, you was out there, like, bro, you really was outside. Like, your video was hard. I just, you know what I'm saying, wasn't getting the recognition I'm getting now. Like, even though it could be better, but like, you know what I'm saying, where I'm at now versus then, I wasn't even monetizing stuff then, bro. And I was outside, like, I was in the A, bro, 3 times a month, like, literally. I probably missed 1 weekend out of the month in the A, bro. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang near. Or not, at least 2 times out the week. I said 2 times out the week. I'm tripping. 2 times out the month, 2 weekends out the month. Or sometimes I go during the week. When I was just strictly like, when I was chilling and I was just doing YouTube, bro, like, bro, nigga was outside. But it's like longer than the Pledge of Allegiance. God dang. That bitch, but we just not moving. I know for 2 minutes. They're like looking at me like. But yeah, man, like, I was outside, man. Y'all go watch the whole video, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Just watch the whole video, man. You'll be entertained, pretty much. So you'll see a lot of your favorite YouTubers in them. You know what I'm saying? The car meets, you'll see all that was lit. You know what I'm saying? How Atlanta be getting down. I want to see how Atlanta really used to get down back then before. You know what I'm saying? They turned into Cari City. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go look at them. So I'm telling you, boy, that's some stuff on them videos, boy. Ooh, another blue scat. I just seen one. That blue scat right there. But yeah, nevertheless, but I almost took off, but I ain't gonna lie, and I heard that car leave. But nevertheless, man, it's pretty much a wrap. I mean, I was cutting up, but I wasn't cutting up really just, you know what I'm saying, I told y'all what I was doing, you know what I'm saying, making it noise, you know what I'm saying, you ain't right. But, with all that being said, hold on. Stick 'em. blessed, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. I know y'all hit on pop. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. The sky's the limit, you can touch it, man. You know what I'm saying? For all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay prayed up. You feel me? Don't quit, keep your faith. You know what I'm saying? Don't lose your focus of your sight, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't lose focus of your sight. Stay hungry, stay motivated. You know what I'm saying? Try to break your bad habits. Be a better person, you know what I'm saying? And just stay on your P's and Q's, man. Stay on your P's and Q's. You know what I'm saying? Just a little wise words, I guess. Even though y'all heard me say that plenty of times, but you know, sometimes I just feel like I've been needing to say it here and there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But also, man, like I said, now the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.